If you're starting SFCC and wondering, what do I need to learn to work on real projects? This video is for you. I'm Riya, and this is the next chapter in my SFCC series on Commerce with Riya. Today, we will cover the SFCC tech stack, the main languages and tools SFCC developers use. Here is the shortcut. You do not need 50 things. You need a few core skills. First is JavaScript. In SFCC, JavaScript runs on the server side. It powers storefront logic like controllers, cart, checkout, validations, and integrations. Second is ISML. ISML is the template system used to render storefront pages like product pages, category pages, cart, and checkout. Third is SFRA. Most modern projects use SFRA as the standard storefront structure. If you learn SFRA, you can understand real project code much faster. Now the tools you will use almost daily: VS Code for writing code, Git for teamwork and version control, Node and NPM for storefront build steps in many projects, Chrome DevTools for debugging UI and network calls, and a code upload tool to push your code to the SFCC sandbox. One more important point: Enterprise SFCC is integration heavy, so you will later work with APIs like OCAPI and SCAPI. OCAPI stands for Open Commerce API. SCAPI stands for Shopper Commerce API. In the next video, I will explain how SFCC works at a high level, from request to page rendering. If you want the full checklist and detailed notes, check the link in the comments and request access to become a member. For any queries, reach out to me at commercewithriya@gmail.com. Goodbye.